today video we'll talk about how you can do your signatures in your Word file. If you have any document, let's say if you have any CV or any other document and you want to make a signature, so how will you do it? So let's get started. You will be in Home tab, so you should go to your Insert tab. Here I am clicking on Insert, and here in Shapes you'll click on this drag down icon, and in this drag down icon you can select this free forms scribble. You say select this one option, and now you can write your signature. Let's say I am writing learning forum signature like this. Let's say this is my signature, so learning, and let's say I am starting from forum, FUROM, and I'll do like this. So this is how you can make any type of signature freehand in Word file in your any document. Thank you.